He is the last human cloned by an alien civilization to combat humanity's deadliest invention. He is the Atavar. Created by Dan Abnett and Richard Elson, in Atavar the Kalen, an ancient alien race are being annihilated. A machine intelligence known as the UOS is devastating their galaxy, assimilating entire planets, and the Kalen believe that humans created it long ago, before their race vanished. The Kalen, however, have a plan. They create a human from what DNA they have been able to locate so that he will be their salvation. He will be the Atavar. But the whole gambit fails when this last human not only refuses to destroy the UOS, he instead tries to broker peace. The series spawned 2 sequels in which the Kalen ally themselves with another race, the Binods, the Atavar adapts the technology of the UOS, and all organic life faces an even greater threat from a star cancer. Abnett throws big idea after big idea into this series with increasing intensity as this high-concept sci-fi gets weirder and more bloody. It's trademark Abnett, the story of a survivor finding their way in the middle of an epic clash of civilizations. Atavar's interesting central premise provides plenty of scope for massive space battles and Cronenbergian weirdness. The series appeared around the same time as Ahab, which Elson also drew, and they both allowed Elson's artwork to go bigger and better. Ships, aliens, technology, all rendered in his crisp, clean style. His storytelling is so solid that you sometimes take it for granted. Atavar's 3 series are an underappreciated gem from between 2002 and 2005, and the first 2 books were reprinted in a graphic novel released in 2004. Thanks again for joining us on our odyssey through the galaxy's greatest stories. Earthlets, tune in next week for more from the 2000 AD ABCs.